Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to trade cards on Monopoly Go. So first, next to the Go button, you're gonna see friends and you're gonna see album. So once you click on album, you need to reach a 15 currency on this game. So because I don't have an experience or I haven't played long, so that's why I can't open an album. But let me explain to you how it's gonna go. You're gonna open an album, you're gonna see multiple stickers with a number on them. You're gonna click on one of them and you're gonna just click on one of the cards that you have, and you're gonna click on the sticker that you want to send to a friend and adding username and then confirm. So once your friends enter the Monopoly Go, they're gonna see a notification and they will be notified that you send them a sticker. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow and hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. And remember, you can only send stickers out to 5 stickers. So that's it. See you in the next one.